whatever's going on over there. Looks pretty rock and roll to me.
Haven't you heard? There's a strange wanderer near Wolfendom.
Gorge is just up ahead. We should be able to find a special drink base there. An adventurer who visited the tavern told me that he once ventured deep into Dadaupa Gorge and discovered a type of drink inside the cooking pots of a hilly churl tribe who lived there. The drink is actually an herbal soup made by Sama churls using a variety of ingredients. According to the adventurer, it seems like the Sama churls made these drinks to grant the tribe more energy. The adventurer also said that just by taking a single whiff of it, and I quote, I wasn't able to determine whether or not I took in the smell, because as soon as I tried to smell it, it felt like my nose was being trampled by 100 forest boars. I couldn't feel my nose anymore, let alone smell anything. Even though he lost his sense of smell, he still remembered to come and drink. He even started telling me that my delicious cocktails would help his nose regain its sense of smell again. What a hopeless drunk. He was probably just exaggerating and hoping for more drinks. But whether or not he was exaggerating is not important. The idea of using a hilly churl drink as a base for my cocktails is one I'm definitely interested in. No way! Normal ingredients will never suffice for a special cocktail. We must use something special. Besides, I've never used such ingredients before either. This will be my latest drink. Just wait, and you'll be the first one to try it. Now listen up. I had that old adventurer mark the location for me. So all we have to do is get there and grab what we need. Since we're only on the outskirts of Dadaupa Gorge, we'll have to walk further in. We still have quite a ways to go. I also told my father about the Samaturl herbal soup.
Someone's approaching. Diona!
Huh? Oh, I know you. You're the one that usually goes hunting with my father.
Yeah, my name is Alan.
Huh. So if you're here, that means my father is also somewhere nearby. Well, where is he, huh?
I wish that were the case. I'm afraid that Draff, well, he rushed into Dadaupa Gorge.
Wait, what?
You see, Draff brought us hunting in the area nearby. Thanks to him, the hunt went really well and we managed to catch lots of game. So, we started a bonfire, but after a few, he refused to let before we could say anything. I had a hunter who's...
Ugh, that stupid old man. And it's all because he had something to drink. I don't know how many times I've told... Huh?
No, wait! It's too...
I'm also of the cat's line blood. And most importantly, I don't...
You're Oh, there should be nothing to...
You're coming, so I plan on sneak... Really? All right, then. But if you do startle them, be sure not to look... Actually, let's pounce... Oh. Ahead. Be careful! You don't want to shake up the entire valley, do you? Don't think that I'm worried about you, because I'm not. If you get noticed, then I'll definitely be in trouble too. So just be careful, okay? We've been spotted! Move more to the... Hey, there's loads of monsters! Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. Hey, there's... Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. What? Looks like... Hey, they're... Don't they... to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. Hey, don't... Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. Hey. Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. What? Looks like... Hey! Hey! Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. Hey! Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. Hey! Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you.
I just came up with an awesome new riff. Want to hear it?
We've been spotted! What? Looks like... Hey, there's... Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you.
If there's fire in your soul, you gotta rock.
We've been spotted. Hey, don't. Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted. Hey! Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot you. We've been spotted! What? Looks like we... Hey! Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll...
I just came up with an awesome new riff. Want to hear it? Whatever's going on over there, looks pretty rock and roll to me.
Keep your head down, silly! Don't get spotted! Hurry, this way! Yeah! We've been spotted! Hey! Move more to the side and stay hidden. Otherwise, they'll spot. Just hide in the bush if there's no other way. Careful! Don't get too close to those monsters. Keep to the side of the road. Not bad. You were able to keep up. That stupid old man should be around here somewhere. Let's search around this area.
What?
Just as I
Oh, life. Not here. You know, I saw. Ha! And no.
Looks like he's in. Hey, keep it silly. If we're good, but given, perhaps that.
Herbal soup?
He's not sobering up anytime.
Take it. The herbal soup is.
Pyrotechnics! Boring!
Life goes on. Shadows of fate.
Feel the beat!
Oh, you're back. Did you get the herbal soup? Of course. However, the concoction needs... It's quite strong. Let's get Okay, this should... this should be enough. Just keep it... Bring it to my foolish father and have him...
Now where's the... What is it? Oh! Oh!
So, are you so...
Diona?
You drink... but it does prove...
Alan? Oh, wait, that...
You were on the... Like I would...
Really?
I'm already...
Diona, you're...
Nope.
All I And...
And... Nope, forget it.
It's Diona. Oh, what
I was... Alan...
Oh, I will be... He looks like...
See? This is what... But who... Alcohol... That includes... But... Let's get...